first, we are going to see how loud my car is in a shopping garage in a straight by Mazda 3. Wonder what that person thought. Oh boy. What was that? Oh man, that is just so loud. I'm not even going that fast, guys. Just all the way to the top we're gonna go. It's like really loud. Just listen to this. Like all clear up here, guys. As you can see, I'm not even going that fast. That's loud, especially if I do something like this. Oh, why did they block this off? Oh man, can't go to the top level. Yeah, I don't know why we can't go on the top level, but that's weird. They closed it down. Maybe I'm in trouble. I'm just kidding. They won't put barricades that quick up. But yeah, time to go back down, and back down it's even slower. Be interesting to see if anyone else is doing the same thing. What the heck? Somebody did burnouts here too. There's a Honda Civic chasing me. If you look in the mirror, there's a Honda Civic chasing me. Just watch the mirror carefully. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 turn right. Okay, this particular package. Drive an attempt on the 6 Series.